1. Hook. Have you ever signed up for a free tier on a cloud platform, thinking you'd save money? What if I told you that it often leads to unexpected costs? Stick around to learn how to navigate this maze and avoid costly surprises. You might think you're getting a deal, but you could end up with bills that break your budget. Free tiers often come with limitations. There are caps on usage, hidden fees, and complex billing structures. Understanding these intricacies is essential, especially for beginners and startup engineers who are just starting their cloud journey. 3. The simple explanation. Let's break down what a free tier usually includes. Typically, you'll find, often, you get a certain number of hours per month for free, usually around 750 hours. This can be anywhere from 5 GB to 30 GB, depending on the provider. Many plans cap your outgoing data transfer at 1 GB or 2 GB per month. You may be limited to a specific number of API requests, often around 1 million. When you exceed these limits, fees kick in. It's like a free trial that turns into a subscription without warning. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a startup called Strinosoft, which developed a sustainable product marketplace. They decided to host their application on a popular cloud service that offered a free tier. They were excited, no costs for the first month. Initially, they used basic features, staying within the free limits. But as they launched their marketing campaign, traffic surged. By the end of the month, they had over 2,000 users. Sounds great, right? Here's the twist. Their API requests skyrocketed to 2.5 million, exceeding the free tier limit. The company didn't realize that each additional million requests would cost them up to $15. Their total bill at the end of the month? $250. This was a wake-up call for Strinosoft. They had to reassess their budget and usage strategies. 5. What to do instead to avoid falling into the same trap. Here's a step-by-step framework. Step 1. Understand your needs. Evaluate your project requirements. Will you need substantial compute resources or storage? Use a cloud pricing calculator to estimate costs based on expected traffic and usage. Step 2. Analyze free tier limits. Look at the free tier offerings of different providers. Compare compute hours, storage, and data transfer limits. Make a list of what features are essential for your project. Step 3. Monitor usage regularly. Set up alerts for usage thresholds. Most platforms allow you to set notifications at 80% and 90% of your limits. Use monitoring tools to track your API requests and storage. Step 4. Optimize and scale. Optimize your application to reduce unnecessary API calls. Implement caching strategies to save bandwidth. If you anticipate growth, consider switching to a paid plan that offers better rates as your usage scales. Step 5. Budget for contingencies. Set aside a small percentage of your budget for unexpected costs. Aim for 10 to 15% to cover overages. Regularly review your cloud spending and adjust your budget as needed. 6. Common mistakes. Here are 5 common mistakes people make with free tiers, along with how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Ignoring usage limits. Many users don't track their usage. Fix. Use built-in monitoring tools and set alerts for when you approach limits. Mistake 2. Not checking for hidden fees. Some services have hidden costs that add up quickly. Fix. Read the fine print and ask customer support about potential fees. Mistake 3. Overlooking data transfer limits. Users often forget that outgoing data can incur costs. Fix. Estimate your expected data transfer and choose a plan that accommodates it. Mistake 4. Failing to optimize resources. Running inefficient applications can lead to unexpected costs. Fix. Regularly profile your application and optimize for performance and cost. Mistake 5. Forgetting to review billing statements. Many don't review their invoices, leading to surprises. Fix. Make it a habit to review your billing statements monthly. 7. Quick checklist. Know your project requirements. Compare free tier offerings. Set usage alerts. Optimize your app. Budget for contingencies. 8. Summary plus CTA and summary. Free tiers can be deceiving. They may offer a no-cost entry into cloud services, but hidden fees and limits can quickly lead to unexpected expenses. By understanding your needs, monitoring your usage, and optimizing your resources, you can navigate these waters wisely. Do you have experiences with cloud-free tiers? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on cloud engineering and tech tips. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.